And we're live. Good morning.
Good morning. Taking any trades pre-market today?
Nada. How about you?
I took a YM long and a YM short.
Oh, nice. Sweet.
Did, two minis on a long off a rejection of the -2 band on VWAP.
Okay.
I got that from like 405, closed it at 537. And then when it came back down off of that, I ended up taking it from 5 something, I think 540, and took the short down to 482.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, some pretty big moves there.
That was my two good trades for the day.
Nice. Good job.
So I'm just gonna keep everything real loosey-goosey right now.
Yeah. Just taking a look at Financial Juice, seeing if we have any news. Looks like not much. I guess we had Canadian wholesale month over month, which is nothing. Trump at ambassador credentialing, but that's a little bit later. So, and we're open.
In 5:30.
All right, YM isn't bouncing. Damn, that's a move.
Yeah, that's quite a huge move there on YM. Wow.
That made my two puny pre-market trades there look like nothing.
Did you take that long?
No, hell
I was like, damn.
bouncing in my chair right now if I was in this long.
Yeah.
See if this is a bull trap.
Damn, that little pullback was 80 points. Almost 60 or 70 points.
Nice. I don't feel like losing 30 grand a day.
Yeah. Right up to 49,800 here. Previous day high is up above at 49,821.
I don't know. Wow, this is ridiculous. Look at that pullback.
Whoa. Almost 800 down to 700. 100-point pullback there.
This is where patience pays.
Yeah.
Cleaned everything up again. I just got VWAP up on my chart.
Nice.
I am going to throw up the volume profile.
What's that, sorry?
So I am going to throw up a volume profile as well. All right, the highest amount of volume that we've had on anything so far for market open and on YM is 623.10.
Yeah.
So that's where I expect the pullback to come to at least. VWAP will probably end up at that point somewhere. At some point through the day. We had a 230-point move on that first 3-minute candle.
Yeah, it's so savage, eh?
You're not in anything right now, are you, Dave?
No, I'm flat at the moment.
Start getting worried here in a second. Picking up orders at down below a 580 level, and they're dropping again. That's a 560, 550. Got some orders above, just above 610, 620, and then some orders up 49,800. You looking at YM or NQ right now?
Pardon?
You
I'm
went
watching
on YM.
I was watching NQ. I actually tried to take a long there. Got my order got left behind, so I just closed it. So
We're gonna wait for. Hold on 1 second.
what a nasty YM that is, though. Hey, holy!
That is absolutely insane.
I was actually thinking about shorting it when it was way up there too. I was like, oh man, I really want to short this right now.
I'm not touching anything until opening range gets set. This is too much movement for me.
How many points do we got here on ES? Also, 22 points so far.
On ES,
Yeah. Damn, I missed that. NQ long would have been really nice right there. On that new candle, small pullback. Now we pushed up from 60 to 90.
looks like NQ's setting up for a bullish day.
Yeah, seems like it.
We got nothing underneath on the book. CBD's at over 3,000 now. Market's only been open for 7 minutes. And there's already orders up at 850, 825, 800. So NQ
There's a
might
lot
be
of
the,
a lot of volume balls, hey, on NQ today.
oh,
355, 274, 208, 140, 355, 195.
actually gonna,
Savage.
I think I'm going to change my volume balls to 50 instead of 40, though.
Been ignoring the chat here. Hey, Paul, good morning.
Good
Welcome,
morning, Paul.
welcome.
I am tempted to get into an NQ long right now based on the book map. See if it hits that positive 3 band on the VWAP.
Wow. 24,825 has orders. 24,850 has orders.
little bit of a pullback here. See if it switch this out.
We're sitting on Friday's point of control. Also, right now, just above it. No, just below it, which is also I think that's Friday's VWAP. Also, yeah. I didn't really. I didn't add in Monday's price action to the volume profile. I just stuck with Friday's.
Oh, I'm just doing daily, so I'm not even bothering with the week. We had a bank holiday yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm not really all that concerned with Friday. Yesterday was the chance to go back to the mean, so I'm just starting fresh and going to try and react to whatever plays off of VWAP we got today. So if I do pull up yesterday's VWAP, yeah, even on yesterday's VWAP, we're above the positive one band. It's just playing around with it right now. So, but there's still orders pretty much all above. They kind of farted out at 855 level for NQ, at least on the micros. Yeah, I think today's going to be pretty bullish.
Seems like it so far. It's the only one who's not really cooperating is YM actually after that big push.
And that's typical. It's not following NQ or NQ or ES. So if they all line up, I'm just going to go heavy long and call it a day. Come back in a half an hour and close my trade. I mean, in all honesty, we were kind of expecting this movement after yesterday.
Yeah.
The only one that made any real money yesterday was Johan, and that was, I don't know how. That was a perfect pullback on the NQ off of yesterday's level 1. Let's see if today turns into a mean reversion day. We can play it from top to bottom and bottom to top. Still have a minute before opening range is set though, so.
Yeah, that's quite the pullback there on NQ. I thought I heard Zach in his channel there. He accidentally took like 6 minis in one account by accident because the copy trader didn't hook up. So, that's scary.
We know the copy trader hooked up. He just didn't hit the copy button.
Yeah,
We've all done it.
I know, especially after you turn it off and then turn it back on.
Yeah, I've done it more than once. It doesn't matter if you're green or red in that trade. You just close it and start over again.
Yeah, just instantly.
All right, so YM just bounced off of previous days yesterday's New York session VWAP and is coming back up again.
Yeah, that's looking pretty good.
Or I'm sorry, midnight VWAP, night previous days. What kind of we have?
Yeah, I took a small long there on YM. I locked in 180 in the 5 TPT accounts. So 1 mini. Ooh. Jumped in on that quick moving green candle there.
That's a good trade. I wouldn't have taken it, but I see what you were doing.
You were like, as soon as you said that, I was like, oh, really? Because I was just like thinking, I had my finger on the buy button. Like, it just bounced off that band. I was like, oh, okay, perfect.
Did I influence your trade there? I'm sorry.
Oh, hey, it worked out, so don't be sorry.
As long as it worked out, we're good.
Yeah. I mean, I was already leaving to it anyways, so. Oh, look at that
another
move on NQ, hey?
All right, now YM's pumping, NQ's dumping.
So I got my take profit trader accounts are about halfway to pass. They're all 1444 or higher.
I thought you were already funded on those.
Those were, I lost those ones actually. That was a long time ago. Right at the start of the year, I lost those.
All right.
Yeah, I was oversizing definitely at the start of the year there.
Yeah, that'll kill your account quickly.
Yeah.
All right, I got 3 micros then on a YM long here.
Nice.
We'll see if it's nice. I'm just gonna sit here and toy with my emotions.
Of course. Ooh.
And I'm out. Take that $200 loss. Rejection off of VWAP, so.
What the hell's going on here? My trade abate is not activating. It's not like it won't let me sell.
Are you in a trade already trying to flatten it?
Yes.
Cover a short? Your exit all at market isn't working?
No, nothing.
Go over to your depth of market and hit the exit all and cancel on that one.
Okay. Depth of market, super down.
You're super down.
MYM. Damn, this sucks. Down $80 right now. Nothing there too. What the heck's going on here? This is bullshit.
Is this on your TPTs?
Yes.
Go to TPT's website and click on your account. It'll give you an option to flatten all under your account management.
Oh my god, what happened there? A bunch of stuff looks like it came through after. What is going on here? Okay, well, I'm out. Looks like I'm out. And I lost $100. That's
What was your closing price near your, or at least close to where you tried to exit?
Not really. No.
I don't know. I got nothing for you then.
Because I tried to stop it at 550 and then it ended up closing down at $519.
Oh shit.
Yeah, Trade Evade is messed up.
31
I'm getting
points
wrecked
below.
again. Yeah,
All
it's blackout news. Same thing here, man. I couldn't close my trade there. Like nothing was happening. Clicking and nothing's happening. I mean, hopefully they'll give us a ticket for this one. I should take a screenshot. How do I do a screenshot on my PC again? Well, actually, you know what? It's live. It's recorded live.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's not recorded because I didn't have it on the screen.
So all you have to do is go to your YouTube channel and it'll be saved there.
No, I just mean like I didn't have Tradeovate on the recording screen. Like it
Oh, I
only
see.
has me saying in the background, "Oh, it's not closing. It's not closing." But hopefully that would be enough uh, support. I'm just gonna take some pictures here of the screen though.
If it's Take Profit Trader, their support's actually really good.
Man, that sucks. Gave back $100 there basically on that 2 micro long.
We've both taken a loser this morning. That's just
Look at NQ, hey?
gave back
Way
gave back 100% of what it gained off the rip. If you're looking to look at the 15-minute chart, those two 15-minute candles, it's a double top, and it's just doubled the initial balanced low.
savage, hey?
From VWAP through the initial balanced low, plus another 100% of that pull down. And it's not looking like anything's going to hold it up. It went right through a support level at 536.50. By 35 points.
Good thing I wasn't in like a larger position, hey? Or that would have completely annihilated my account there. It was just 2 micros, but still it's like that was 100 points. Because 2 micros is $1 per point, right? So if that was 1 mini, that would have been $500 right there.
All right, I'm gonna start waiting for a pullback toward VWAP again and looking for a short.
543.
NQ went from positive 2,000 down to negative 3,100.
Well, I contacted their support and just let them know. Oh, damn. Sorry to hear that blackout news. Definitely open a ticket and take some pictures of your platform. I'm sure if me and you or both had this issue, like I'm sure multiple people had this problem, so they're gonna have to figure something out for us. So we're down below previous day low of
Down
on 2
1,000
micros, hey?
micros.
Damn.
Ooh.
Obviously you're probably an NQ then, hey? Damn. Well, I'm gonna be looking at my Project X for a little bit here.
Yeah, I'm not trading anything on Project X either. Got to remember to not fight VWAP today. All right, we're a half an hour in. Looks like NQ is going to be in a downtrend for the time being.
Hey, Luke, good morning. Luke's down 50 on RUT. I guess RUT is pulling back also. So I had to open a ticket actually yesterday with Top One Futures. So what happened was I had taken a long, and then I left a stop loss, right? I forgot to close the stop loss, and then I switched accounts, and I was taking longs again. Meanwhile, my stop loss got picked up, and it was going, and it made 1,600 profit on the downside. So it basically looks like I was hedging. So I reached out to them and said, hey, just so you know, this is what happened. I wasn't hedging, but I did have a stop loss left on the chart, and I ended up taking a long in a different account. So gonna see what they say. They said they're gonna pass it to their manager, kind of. So
they'll probably end up deleting that entire trade out of your account.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But it's I just figured it's better to be proactive and
absolutely
let them know it was a mistake, so they don't just like kill my account, right?
Can't do if you do that in a cash account. Yeah, you're screwed. There's nothing.
But you can hedge in a cash account, can't you?
What's that?
You could hedge in your cash accounts, right? Though
CME rules, you can't take opposing trades on the same indice.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, you'll pick up some pretty heavy fines for that.
Interesting.
You can use ES to hedge against NQ, but you can't take a YM long and a YM short at the same time.
Yeah.
That's not. I wouldn't want to anyway. I didn't want to manage that many trades at one time. You could take a small loss or a bigger win. Excuse me. It's gonna be a boring day.
So they send me an email saying they want account numbers involved and ticket number for each specific trade in question.
All right, NQ is starting to come up past that that level 1, heading toward VWAP now.
Well, it seems like it's working now. Trade of 8 seems to be reacting quick to me putting micros or orders on. So definitely a momentary glitch though, because I mean, obviously Blackout Network was having the same issue.
Got a lot of sells above us on NQ up at 575 and 600. It's going to be the only pullback we get for NQ here. Blackout News wants it to dump to 238. What are you trading? Blackout News. Morning, Darren. You. Blackout News, I'd settle for a dump down to 420. Get below that initial balanced low, get to the -2 band on the VWAP. I don't know what you're seeing down at in the 200 level, if it's a point of control or a weekly or a monthly value area. But do tell, I'd like to know. It's 50 lot order at 424.
Turmoil, 544.
Just got a notification of a large order, 544.
Hey Darren, good morning. Sorry I didn't didn't say that earlier. There's a pivot point on the hourly, Blackout News says.
Got it. I'm not hating a short on NQ right now, but I would like to get a better price on this.
Yeah. We
I
have
mean,
a
it's-
previous day low of 24,579.
24,579.
24,579, yep. Is a previous day low, but that's Friday's low. I didn't really account for overnight stuff, which we never actually got there anyways, so kind of in price discovery here.
Yeah, it is. It's not even kind of. It's in solid price discovery.
Yeah.
As soon as this candle drops below the low of day, if there's any volume on that, I'll start thinking about just taking a long term or a longer time frame short. Keep the size way down and hold it through the New York session. But it's got to break through it and hold, otherwise I'm not touching it.
Yeah.
I would much rather come back to VWAP so I could take a short there.
Yeah.
There's
Playing with
tons
fire
of
down at the
orders
bottom.
underneath. What's that?
I said we're playing with fire down at the bottom here if we try to short it down here.
You know what really burns my ass, Dave?
What's
A
that?
flame about 3 feet high. Ooh, excuse me.
Looks like Randy's short on MES there.
So I should fade him and go long, is what you're saying.
I don't know. I'm a little. I mean, everything does say shorts, right? Short is seems
Everything
like
is,
the right direction.
everything
right
is
now,
lined
but
up for shorts.
whether or not it's going to work is a different story.
Yeah, and if you're trading prop, I mean, it's going to be a coin flip. If you're trading a cash account, it's going to be how you manage it.
Yeah.
Because down here at this level, taking a short is dangerous, but it's in a downtrend, so you can't take a long either.
Yeah. Hey, good morning, Tim.
So I wanted to pull back to VWAP.
Blackout
can make
News said, since dipshit Trump became president, this market has been shiza.
Yeah, it's been hard to trade. That ain't no
Definitely
lie.
brought a lot of volatility.
Volatility and stupidity.
At least those Trump tweets haven't been doing nonsense lately.
Don't say that.
Darren's
Tomorrow.
looking at 68.23 for a potential short on ES. All right, kind of like near the VWAP.
Excuse me. Yeah, that's solid. Anywhere between 30 and 20. Yeah, anywhere between 30 and 25, I would go short on ES.
Coffee machine's
Russell
ready.
woke up late this morning. Coffee's just now coming on. What the hell?
I just started it a few minutes ago here.
Did you play hockey last night again?
No.
Figure skating classes?
Yeah.
You look good in that sparkly outfit.
Yeah. I mean, I've just been watching those Olympics and just got me really ready for doing some figure skating.
Put on some tight pants and a sparkly shirt and do some backflips and shit.
Yeah.
Somebody went short here. There are still orders up at 68.35. Orders came on at 68.40. So make sure this is a solid bounce off of VWAP here. Or at least I'm going to.
Great. Instrument 529.
Short 2 micros on ES now.
Starting to get a bit of a pullback there on that. Ooh, look at that NQ, man. Whew. Could have made all my money back. I'm sick. Did you you missed an entry there or something, Blackout?
Keep pulling down for me. Don't be a
Oh, you
bitch.
went long, but you didn't hold long enough. Gotcha. Well, maybe it's not looking so bad now because that was quite a pullback there on the NQ.
I want more of a drop on ES here.
Yeah, I did tap right to 830 there. Good call on that one, Darren.
I'm out.
You're out?
Make sure my dashboard's set up. Oh shit, I'm not out of it. Get out.
Take that profit.
Ah, there we go. Oh, hell yeah. All right, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, how was that one?
$5,000 out.
Woo. An cash account?
Oh no, that's across all of my accounts. I had that one copied to, hold on, I'll tell you. 57 accounts, 3 of them live and 54 of them prop, all funded.
And you made 5,000 in each one?
No, across.
Okay.
the board.
Okay. I was like, holy shit, dude.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
I'm tired.
Perfect trade. Beautiful though.
Yeah, $5,000 for a day. I'm pretty stoked about that.
Yeah, no doubt. That was a nice nice trade there.
But I was patient. I waited for it to come back up to VWAP. I went in short based on a trend. It came all the way back down to that that -1 band. I closed the trade. That was it.
Yeah.
Actually, I closed it before the -1 band, but based on that previous 5-minute candle, which was a really strong bullish candle with not
Yeah.
much of a wick at the top, I didn't want to play around with it. But still, I mean, $98 per account. I'm okay with that.
Same nice VWAP retest, long or short in trend or money makers, Nick. Yeah, good job, Darren. Nice call there.
Good job. Two contracts short. So yeah, you were in with micros too then, if you took the same trade as me. Yeah, 2 micros. It's all it takes. The problem that most people have with that VWAP retest, either the bounce or the break, is they don't have the patience to wait for it to get back to VWAP.
Yeah.
And honestly, Dave, if it wasn't for being here with you, I'd probably be doing the same shit, just taking stupid fucking trades, going up and down, losing money, coming and going.
Well, hey, that sounds like a compliment. Thank you.
No, it is. This job is not easy. It's not easy. It's excessively lonely. Having like a group of people to bounce ideas off of and talk shit through makes a big difference.
Yeah, for sure.
As it projected, I marketed a short. Yeah, I did exactly the same thing. Yeah, Dave does keep us sane and from becoming degenerates.
So my 150K top step combine's up 523. from pre-market from last night's trades. That's one's 3,000 in profit on my way to the 9,000 to pass. I think it's 9,000 to pass. 1/3 of the way.
I told you last week I blew out 12 accounts, right?
Yeah, that sucks. Your trading view wasn't up to date.
Trading on a 15-minute delay. I was a little bit pissed. Was on the on Zach's stream this morning, pre-market.
Yeah.
This Mike P. Do you know him?
Is that?
We were talking about like losing money in futures and whatnot. And I told him, I was like, yeah, what it was. Somebody said that they misspoke when they said it, but they said they have never had a red day or a red week, and they've been trading for 2 years. And everybody was just like, yeah, bullshit. No,
Bullshit.
Well, he misspoke. He actually came in later and said, no, that's not what I meant. Since I've been trading for 2 years, I started a new strategy 2 months ago and haven't had a red week in 2 months.
Okay.
Okay, that's acceptable.
Yeah, I mean, you can have a couple months stretch with no red.
Yeah. But Mike and I were going back and forth. It's like, yeah, I haven't had a red week in about a week. Haven't had a red day since February 15th. But he was saying he lost $1.8 million on a single trade in 2008.
Wow.
He was managing a $28 million portfolio. Like,
Yeah.
I lost 28 grand on a live stream. Luckily, nobody was actually watching, so I don't feel too bad about it.
Initial balance just set here 7 or 10:30 a.m.
Darren does things. Go play with your boy. Have fun at the park. You're green for the day, so hell yeah. Enjoy.
Nice job, Aaron. See you later. Nice job on that.
Oh, shit. He almost hit his max win day for his 25Ks. That's awesome. Deal. I love it. Is that supposed to be an air horn? It sounded like a doorbell in an old folks home. That's better.
I think it got cut off for some reason really fast. I was like, beep. Good job, Darren.
Man, looking at June contracts on gold, everything's dropping too.
What could be a target on NQ lower here? I guess 24,430 could potentially be a target.
You and I always have. You said on NQ.
Yeah.
You and I always have very, very different target levels.
Yeah.
Are you trying to look below?
Yeah.
Okay, for me personally, I would want an entry between 625 and 590 for a short, and I would be targeting I'd be targeting 500 to 414.
Gotcha.
Just based on this price action anyway, because we're getting right down to the initial balance low.
Yeah.
If it breaks through that, hits that 409, and continues to go down, then I'll just short it. But if it bounces off that 409, 410 level and starts to come back up, I'm just gonna wait for a mean reversion and then short it again up at a higher level.
Mm-hmm.
But I can't be here all day today because I'm going to look at a resort.
Oh, crazy. Somewhere near Detroit?
No, Santa Teresa.
Gotcha. So you're going to be catching a plane? Or
No,
did you already?
driving. I already caught that plane.
Gotcha. So where are you now then?
In Kabuya.
Kabuya? Which
So
country?
here we go.
Costa Rica again?
So we got a break of the initial balance low from 462.70 and start of a new candle. So are you still thinking about shorts?
Yeah.
I see it rejected off that initial balance low. It's coming back up again,
Yeah, that's a pretty big move there.
which is what I was afraid of when you said you wanted to target a short on that.
Uh-huh. So wasn't ready to break that IB low yet.
Orders look like. Oh, Jesus. There's not a whole hell of a lot of anything on the book.
Yeah, we got 450, 425, 400 below. And then 575 is above. There's 151 up there. I'm
We
on
got-
MNQ.
So am I. Yeah, we're starting to print some orders above, but there's that means this price action has been moved by retail traders. This is all market orders. You see all those volume balls showing up?
Yeah. Been quite a few.
That's not happy about that. Going back over to ES, safer for me.
Lots of volume balls on ES also here.
Yeah, but there's also a large number of orders at different levels. The MNQ one was just pretty much blank on my Now we got 80 orders at 505 on MNQ. ES has got 214 down at 6790. $68.07's got 173. Some of those just disappeared though.
Looks like that bounce could have been a decent little short, but no real reason to take it either. So
yeah, I'm working on my patience. That's my main thing right now, is just working on my patience. I've been pretty profitable over the past year. Like, my trades have been pretty damn good. But now I have to concentrate on being more patient and not leaving quite so much money on the table.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'll jump into trades prematurely. I won't stick to my plan. I do stupid shit sometimes. So my risk management helps to save me. But I need to stop leaving so much damn money on the table.
Yeah.
That being said, I will be right back.
Okay. Kind of getting a failed breakdown of the initial balance there again. Took a long there off the failed breakdown of the initial balance. So made a little bit of money there. Nice, nice. Who do we have in the chat still? I think Darren took off. Blackout, you still around? Tim? Luke? Paul? Anybody? Starting with that IB low here. NQ starting to take it. You're getting slaughtered? Oh, shoot. Sorry to hear that. And Paul, you're still here. Nice. Love it when I come back to the computer after helping the customer and my TP was hit. Was short MES 68.19 and TP at 67.94. Nice. So that's 24 points, 19 and 6, 25 points. Wow. Good job. Just one contract. Well, hey, that's a beautiful win anyway. So 25 times 5 is 125. I mean, if you're gonna have to walk away, you might as well keep the size small, right? YM's below the initial balance. NQ was, and it just kind of bounced up there. And ES is a little bit below. Is this just popping back up, fighting the initial balance right now, guys?
I was sitting here talking to you and didn't realize my camera and my mic were turned off.
Oh, damn. Oops.
Derp. I ain't that bright.
This is my top one funded account. Got to go. Okay, Tim. Thanks. Good. Thanks for hanging out, and congratulations on that nice trade.
Yeah, that was good.
25 points on ES is huge. I took while you were gone, I did take a long in one of my top one futures accounts on the failed break of the initial balance there.
All right. Cut it quickly.
Yeah, I just it started going green right away, like bounced pretty good, so I just trailed it up pretty fast and locked in. I think it was I took one mini actually, and I got 137.50 out of it. It basically hit 6,800 and then rejected, so.
Good move.
Kind of interested in shorting this inverted fair value gap here on the Y or on ES. Oh, this is NQ actually.
I'm eyeballing a gold short right now.
You're looking at a gold short?
Looking at it. Pull up the book map on micros. Need the J contract. Got orders up at 68.10. It's toying around with VWAP right now. Price is starting to come down a little bit on this candle, but not anything significant. All right. Yep, I am now short on gold 2 micros. 48.87.50 for a price.
Nice.
I'll hold this for a little while.
Ralph just woke up.
Hey, Ralph.
He's rubbing his head into the blanket, like. I don't know what I did. I didn't do anything. I don't know why. My right shoulder is really bugging me. I'm trying to reach over to my coffee, and it's just like killing me.
It's all that figure skating.
Yeah, took that fall. Well, it looks like that inverted fair value gap on it went right through it on NQ. Some increasing volume here too.
It's not looking like my gold short's playing out.
Oh yeah, it's bouncing a bit more, hey? Might
Little
still
bit.
work out though, hey?
Still worth the $200 risk, but I'm only trading 2 micros on this one.
Mm-hmm.
2 micros on a cash account.
There you go.
That's what I wanted. Almost back to break even.
I joined you up at 90. I got my stop in there.
Got a better price than I did. You got your stop in where?
I just put a stop in at 89.1. Basically,
Oh, you're not giving that any room to breathe.
no, not much. Push down. Just don't want to give any profits back out of that account, so that's why I'm being a little aggressive on putting that stop in there right away.
I'm not mad about it. Here's your push
We're
down.
up to 60 now. Nice little push lower.
All right.
See, you get another leg. Yes, beautiful. Gonna lock in a bit more there. Stops down at 84 now. 84.7. Come on, gold. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Stop. Seller's trying to push it down there. Most of the moves are kind of the downside.
This can get below that VWAP and stay there. I may just keep this trade on for a little while. But we are at 11 o'clock, so volume's going to start drying up. We'll see if we get a turnaround during launch.
Come on, let's give us a little flush down here.
I'm actually going to put a take profit in down at 55.
Give it a little more breathing room there. Give it one more point. I got stopped out of that. Made a little profit there. Shouldn't have moved it up. I gave it more breathing room and then it came straight up and took it out anyways. So locked in 25 bucks. That's too bad. It was up like almost 100.
To close that one out, and it was up 50 bucks.
Hey, 2 micros, 25 each micro. And mine was 25, 1 micro.
Well, you got a better price than I did by a couple of points.
Yeah.
You got a 4-point. I think we had a 4-point price difference on that. So
Yeah. Yeah.
But I still have faith this is gonna pull down a little bit.
Mm-hmm. It just had to stop us out first.
Yeah, it had to stop you out. Just to make me nervous.
Blackout News said, "What is this price action? Seriously."
Price action is lunchtime in Chicago.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of that time, isn't it?
Yep. This is where volume's starting to dry up. This is going to sound like an asshole thing to say, but I use time as an indicator as much as I do the VWAP. Because you know that 11 o'clock volume's going to dry up. It's going to come back on between 2 o'clock and 3:30. And then if you're still trading after 3:30, well, A, you're a degenerate. But B, that if you're in an uptrend, just watch it keep going up until people start taking their profits. If it's in a downtrend, wait until people start covering their shorts. And you can see on the book map where all those institutional trades are. Like gold right now, we got a bunch of orders down at 881.20.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna wait and see if I can pull a couple of points out of this. I am barely in the green right now, so.
Zach is in a long, and he's up 287 ticks.
On what, NQ?
Yeah.
Typical.
The savage guy. 287. So 300 divided by 4 is around 70 points. 75 points, something. That's pretty good. 75 points in the money with 3 MNQ. Okay, MNQ. Never mind. I thought I was like, oh, damn, 3 minis.
All right, I'm out of this. It's starting to pull back up again.
Oh, that gold.
Yeah. So I lost 55 bucks.
Okay. Nice tight stop.
Yeah, rejected off that VWAP 3. This is the 3rd time. So I really don't want to.
Oh, yeah.
Don't really want to be in this anymore. ES is still below VWAP. It's bouncing around between that -1 and VWAP. But if you look at your volume profile, there's nothing good happening right now.
Yeah. We have the hour candle here in about 3 minutes. FYI. Yeah, gold didn't really get no fall through there. Hey, the buyers are definitely holding that 884 level.
So is this the midday reversal that everybody talks about playing?
I know I'm looking
We
at it
got 100.
like I want to short it here soon.
I don't know. It's pushing up above VWAP, relatively
Yeah, it is.
strong on this 5. There are 108 orders at 110 orders at 48.90, 48.96. Just ate those orders up. Now there's 108 orders up at 98.50.
We have a 15-minute bearish fair value gap on NQ.
Oh, no, algos are pulling price up on gold right now. You got 48.98.50. No, I'm sorry, 48.90, 48.97 now. Yeah, they're pulling the price up. Those are lots up there.
Yeah.
And it looks like we got another algo up at 49.05. They're going to try and pull price up to 5,000 today.
Wow, quite a pop there. Hey,
Yeah, these are
a couple points.
all algo orders going through. So this is institutional shit.
Mm-hmm.
I can't. I don't have the money to swim in that pond.
We might get an inversion on the 15-minute bearish fair value gap here on NQ, and if that does happen, I mean, I could definitely see us bouncing even higher here. We got 35 seconds, and if it can close above 608 or 6, oh, sorry, it's actually a little bit higher than that. Good thing I checked that. 620. So it doesn't look like it's going to close on this 15. I mean, it could. 27 points higher currently. 10 seconds though, maybe not. Yeah, not going to close. Close pretty strong though. Got orders above 25, 37, and 50.
Are you looking at ES or NQ right now?
NQ, yeah.
ES is at VWAP. It's rejecting off it a little bit right now.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Getting a reaction anyways.
But there are, again, a bunch of orders up above it. So you're looking along it. You know what? Stick around for another 10, 15 minutes. We get a strong breakthrough of VWAP on MES. I'll take another 2 micro short.
You looking for a rejection of the VWAP?
Either a rejection or a breakthrough. I want to make sure that this candle closes above it, though.
Yeah.
If we end up with a big wick and sellers end up taking control, I'll look at a short. If not, this will be a very short time frame buy, up to probably 68.30,
which is value area low. Looks like it wants to go there though right now.
Oh yeah, no, this is not doing what I wanted it to.
Didn't give you the chance to get in on the trade.
Moved a little bit too fast for me.
Maybe if we were watching the 1 minute, might have.
You know what? I'd rather just not take the trade.
Yeah.
It's not worth the risk. It is not worth the risk to me to be taking a trade on the 1 minute. looking
Wow,
for a
that trade is just crazy right now. He's up 625 ticks now. He's got his TP up at 24,750.
an NQ is what, 10 ticks per point?
No, it's four ticks per point. So same as ES.
Same as ES. For some reason, I was thinking NQ was 10 ticks per point.
No. It's got the 0.25, 0.50, 0.75.
Gotcha.
Yeah. So.
Oh, I believe you. I just
Yeah. So 60 divided by 4, 15, 150 points so far for him. Damn. Yeah, he got in at 500 and it's up at 657. So
a little bit of a pullback now, but nothing to speak of.
yeah.
There's zero indication to get out of an NQ long right now.
Yeah, he's got his TP up at 750, which is previous day's VWAP, and near sort of front running the highs. How did he figure that out, eh? He must have liked the consolidation down at the low, or maybe there was an inversion or something.
What did he get in at?
24,500. Yeah, I think that there was an inversion on a bearish fair value gap. I think right at that level.
At 1040.
42
Yeah, it
or
was on the
45. One of those
42.
two.
I'm looking at the 3-minute candles, and on the 10, it says 1042 here.
Yeah.
The rejection off the initial balance low.
Yeah.
That was pretty damn good.
Yeah, I should have. You know what? Like my
Nice
ES
trade.
long, I took that ES long while you were away down at that lows. I got in at 67.95. I was out at 67.98. But I, look at that. If I would have just held that thing, it would have been max profit for sure. That's kind of the same trade that he took, except for what time was that? Yeah, would have been a minute or two, or possibly a minute or two earlier than him. So, but he had the hindsight to, or the gonads to hold it.
Yeah, that's a great trade.
So NQ just took the area low there.
So it looks like we're getting that midday trend reversal right now.
Yeah.
Yes. All right.
So maybe that's it then, hey?
I think that's it for me. We got a trend reversal that I am late to the party,
Yeah.
and I think this party might end soon. So I'm not going to show up that fashionably late.
Yeah, exactly. Show up late and just get smashed on the.
I don't mind showing up late as long as the movement's still going.
Right.
I don't care if I leave a little bit on the table on my entry. Just for that added confirmation. But right now, looking at the price action on this and where the price is at, ooh, be real nervous getting in here on ES at 37.
They said the take profit trader guys said thank you, at this time we do not see any system-wide platform problems. All individual platform concerns are reviewed on a case-by-case basis. Would you like to continue? So it's a big hassle.
That's going to be a pain in your ass for a minute.
Maybe I should just eat the $100 loss and just move on. So maybe it's not worth it. They're probably going to tell me too bad anyways, right? If it was a system-wide issue, then they would definitely look at fixing it. But it's just interesting because I heard somebody on Zach's stream saying Trade of Eight's messed up, and then Blackout News had the same situation as me, right? So it definitely seems like there was a glitch there for a bit on all the, on a number of accounts, anyways.
There's something nefarious going on.
Something weird. And it went out just exactly at the time that we were pulling back hard there.
Somebody in the main office looking to
get some P&L back.
Yeah.
I think Zach closed that trade. Yeah, he's like $1,200 in profit on that. That's savage. In 3 accounts.
Nice trade.
On 3 micros. Like, good job, man.
That's a really good trade.
And you know what? He put his TP there at 750, but he's not like scared to just close it early. Like some people wait for it to has to get to my TP, right? It's like, come on, dude, you're up 1,200 on 3 micros. Like, take that.
Yeah. In all honesty, if you're looking at your P&L rather than the chart, you're gonna trade off of your P&L. Do you want that extra $50, or do you want to close a trade when the chart's telling it to?
Yeah. Yeah, I think he was getting up to a big bearish fair value gap. So he was like, rather than risk a big pullback happening, he just closed it, I think. So so do I want to go forward with this?
Request a couple of payouts today.
Oh, nice. Congrats.
Thank you.
I need to get some payouts going here. Damn it. This year started off not so good for me. So
this year started off not so good for a lot of people.
It's funny because when Randy was talking about his year 2, he was so stoked for year 2. He was going to do so good. And then he just kind of like, I think it's that whole mindset of, oh, this is year 2. It's a new year. You got to you're going to do really good. You learned that so many things in the first year. And then he went on a pretty bad streak where he was like losing accounts. And, I think he was copying, 15 accounts or something at once. And he like ends up losing all those accounts. And yeah, so it's kind of that psychological thingy also, right?
And let's be honest, 2 years is not that long.
Yeah.
Most people don't get profitable until they've been trading futures for what, like 4 or 5 years?
Yeah, because I mean, I had I think I had 11 funded accounts, and now I'm down to, what is it, 3?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I mean, a couple of them were pretty damaged already. But yeah, I mean, it hasn't been a good start to the year, that's for sure. Early January just annihilated my accounts. So I'm just working on some evals again here, try to get some more funded accounts. And I've been thinking that maybe I need to just stop with the copy trading, because I like that's kind of when I take those losses, I could just have it in one account rather than all of them, kind of idea. So
yeah, I mean, if you're not comfortable, or if you're taking bigger losses and going on tilt, don't copy trade.
yeah,
Like for my setup, when I have my Trader's Post stuff up, I have a trailing stop loss, so I don't have to worry about. I'm sorry, I don't have to worry about putting them in manually. They're just automatically there. And if I lose 20 points on a micro, then I lose 20 points on a micro. It's $100.
yeah.
But if it goes in my favor, I just add to it. Actually, technically, it's 200 because with these accounts, I always go in with 2 micros, and then I add singles to it as it's going in my favor.
Yeah.
So the most I can lose on an ES trade when I go in is $200 per account.
What a freaking push there, hey, Nick?
Yep.
460s to 770s.
Almost to NQ is almost up to New York Open.
Yeah, all the way up to its opening balance high.
Which wasn't much higher than the New York Open, but still. Jeez.
Sounds like you're having a rough day, Blackout News. Sorry to hear that, bro. That was the biggest W I've seen the market put in a long time. Like it's a total W shape pattern.
So on that note, get the hell out of here.
Yeah, let's wrap it up here. I don't want to. I'm
Don't go
green off
if you're
everything
red,
so far. So
if you're red, just deal with it. If you're green, be happy with it. Come back tomorrow and try it all over again.
I really hope they don't take away that $1,600 winner, though. We'll find out. But you know what? It jacked up my consistency score because it's about $400 higher than my 20% consistency. So then you multiply that times 5. That's 2,000 more profit I got to make, right? 400 times 5, 2,000.
Yeah, I don't think you need to make another 2,000 on that. What do they have? A 20% consistency?
Yeah. So my biggest winning day would be 1688, when it should be like 14 or 1488 or 1500, I think it is. Because it's a 10,000 or it's a 10,000 account. 100,000 account. So yeah, 1688 times 5 is like $8,000 rather than $6,000. So, but oh well, it's could be a nice buffer. We'll find out what happens. So they might take that away anyways. So
yeah, keep me posted. I'm curious.
Yeah, hopefully they'll be like, oh, you're honest, we're just gonna let you keep it. That account was in some drawdown anyway. So
all right, well, you got some of your drawdown back.
Yeah.
All right. On that note, I will see you tomorrow morning.
Sounds good.
Blackout News.
I'll be going live tonight, probably for a couple hours, 7 p.m. East Coast, or 7 p.m. my time, so 10 p.m. East Coast.
Why, you want to go on tilt tonight and trade like a degenerate?
No, I'm not going to do that, but I'm just trying to build those subscribers, so I'm going to be doing Tuesday and Thursdays pretty much every week now, evening streams also.
Just do a market analysis or something.
Yeah.
You don't need to take a trade just because you're on stream. I'm just
definitely.
thinking about you and your accounts. I don't want you to blow any of them up.
Yeah. I have been doing pretty good on my evening trades though.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, like that's why mostly all my 150K combine trades have been on the night. Like I made 523 last night.
Shit. Yeah, I for Sundays, I am horrible at trading Sunday evening for the Australia and Asia Opens.
Yeah.
80% of the time I lose money. So I just don't do it anymore.
Yeah,
It's not worth it to me to take the risk.
Mm-hmm.
If I did that shit every single Sunday, I'd be down like 300 grand by then.
Yeah, no doubt.
Blackout News Network. Yeah, it looks like you're having a day of it.
Yeah, lock it out and step away. You know, tomorrow's a new day. Maybe size down a bit and try to forget about the losses and reset. Build that,
Absolutely.
you know, confidence back up.
Speaking of which, I'm going to use my handy dandy Traders Post command pad to lock myself out.
Oh,
right
nice.
now. Ta-da! And done.
Yeah, I really got to get that. Maybe after we have that interview, I'll be able to get hooked up with those.
That's the 23rd is going to be Mike. I still haven't heard back from Tom.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. I'm gonna make a post here in Discord pretty soon, just to like say, make sure you check out the stream on the 23rd, right?
Yeah, do so. And
so he's gonna be with us for Market Open.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And his trading style is a little bit different than both of ours. He actually trades the first 15 minutes. He trades the open volatility.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't know how the hell he does it, but he does it well.
Nice.
But have some questions for him. If anybody's still watching, have some questions for Mike about trading NQ, automation, traders post setups, dash command, whatever. And when Tom comes on, that's your indicator and bot guy.
Yeah.
Tom is the guy that if you go onto their website and ask him for a custom indicator, he literally builds it for you for free.
That's awesome.
Which is pretty amazing.
Yeah.
All right, peoples.
Yes,
I
sir.
will see you all tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Okay, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in. Sorry about the rough day there. Blackout Network. Just say bye to everybody here. See you later, Blackout. Tim, Paul, Darren, Luke was here earlier also, and that's about it. So, hey, thanks everybody for tuning in. It was good to hang out with you guys. Good to see you. And you guys have a good day. Lock it up if you're, feeling pretty stressed out, like, blackout, lock that shit out, bro. No need to do any more damage, but thanks everybody. We will see you live later tonight or tomorrow morning. So peace out. Have a good night. See you guys.